Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1963 Smith Corona Sterling vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. Above that are the margins, and I'm going to set that left margin on around 0 and the right margin around 70-ish. And this is the paper support arm that flips up from the back, holds the page upright, and load the page here. This is the paper bell that sits on top and holds the page down. It's got 2 adjustable rollers. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the slide space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch back, it skips 2. 1 more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. You flip that all the way down to the red square. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you put it in the middle on the white square, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. When you put it all the way up, it prints the top portion of the ribbon. So we're going to move that down to print red. Beautiful typing machine. This is an excellent condition machine. Very beautiful typewriter. Nice color, and it's just got that really perfect Smith Corona style, 50s, 60s style. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side. Let's go ahead and look at that font real quick. Perfect font. Really nice for daily typing. We're going to pull that page out easy by flipping the switchboard. There we go. Unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. We're going to put these down for now. Shift on each side and the shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Tab on the right side. See if you have any tabs set. Do have one set in the middle, so we're going to go ahead and clear that by hitting the CL button. And now we go to the beginning again and hit that tab. And it goes all the way to the end, so we're going to go ahead and set one in the middle by hitting that set button right there. And it stops at that spot, and you can set as many tabs as you want on this model. Backspace on the left side works great. Shift on each side and the shift lock on the left. Clear that, just hit the shift button again. MR on the right side here stands for margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, it will block you from typing. If you hit that MR button, it will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. And we're going to go ahead and open that hood, and all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch that direction, there's a switch above the backspace here. You flip that up. You're going to pull counterclockwise to the left, you push it down. Pulls clockwise to the right. That works good. And this is your touch control. The farther right you go, the more tension there will be when you hit the keys. The farther left, less tension. So faster typers like more tension. We're going to go ahead and put this color selector back up to black, so we print the top portion of the ribbon. Carriage release on each side with a metal handle here. Very much better than the later models that come with the plastic handle that breaks easily. I do sell those 3D printed copies of those if you need them, but I really do like these way better. It's a much better design. I don't know why they did that. So when you pull this knob out, it'll disable the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it in and you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. Same concept with this lever on the inside here. You flip that down, it'll disable spacing. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.